from left to right. Swing your shoulders from left to right. No matter with the fussing and no matter with the fussing. Swing your shoulders from left to right.
Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Michaela Leeanna, and this week we're in Barbican. Stay tuned for the next half an hour as we bring you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. Your Pree Dis journey starts right now. 30 competitors vying for cash and prizes. It all went down at PAN 2016 Regional 1 held at Independence Park in St. Elizabeth. We have all the highlights.
What brought you out here today?
I came with a child to the kiddies village to sit there and see what the pancake thing is like. Because I've never been to one before.
Okay, what do you think of the event so far though?
It's good so far, very clean. That's what I admire. The ground is so clean, everybody keeping clean, cleaning it up and everything.
Just came my children here, coming to have a little fun.
You're from this area, St. Elizabeth?
Yeah.
What do you think about the event so far though?
It's going on so far, so good as yet.
You had anything to eat yet?
Not as yet, but very soon.
And what brought you out here today?
Come to have a look.
What about you?
Same, no? I'm from the area, I'm just from Black River here. No?
Is it the first time coming to this event?
Yeah, first time.
First for you too?
Yeah.
What do you think of the event so far?
Very impressive.
What about you?
It's nice, no? Excellent. Chicken is good.
How is the day going for you so far?
It's going very well. I like what I'm seeing and I hope I can see it more often here in Black River.
You're from this area?
I work in Black River, but I'm from Middle Quarters.
Okay,
Yes, from the Shrimp Parish.
What do you think about the event so far?
It's good. It's good, yeah, real good.
What do you have in your foil paper, your diamond foil?
Jerk chicken and bread.
Hearing them sing every last one of your songs, even the new one them that just released, it was a blessing. And my heart on the stage tonight was simple to minister. And I didn't go up there to get a jump or get a wave or a scream. I just wanted to send the message, and obviously the message got there.
Boy, it was a very different vibe, but it was a very welcoming one. I mean, the people here are so warm and inviting. I mean, they have such infectious spirits. I mean, they came out early. Gates open at 12 and there was a line outside. People really flocked to the kiddies village, and the pan men and women, they were pretty much sold off. So it's been a wonderful day.
Any plans to come back to this parish next year?
Absolutely. Look at the love they've shown us. It's interesting. A lot of people said you won't get numbers in Black River. And I said, no, the St. Elizabeth people, they're not going to disappoint. And look, they didn't. And we're about bringing vitality, prosperity to the areas. And, you know, when we go with PAN, we want to stay in a community, and we want all of the side business and everything that good comes with it to happen. And we need time. So I think we're committed to a bunch of years here.
What was the feeling for you?
Oh, it was so great, trust me. And it's my first time, and I never know I would win it.
It's a wonderful feeling. Proud of myself. It's my first competition. You know, it's a great feeling. What have you walked away with from the competition?
Well, actually, the experience, you know, yeah, it's great. Yeah.
Looking forward to the grand finals in October, right?
Yeah, sure.
Give him a round of applause. Give him a round of applause. 40 big ones. Of course, gotta be persistent and patience. Patient in anything you do. Give him a round of applause right now, St. Elizabeth. National prizes from national prizes from walkers. Give him a round of applause, people.
Ramco is a new model of bikes being sold by Superior Parts Limited. Let's hear the details.
Response has been great, because we have the different colors and it has different features, as one of our happy customers just told you. The response has been very good.
Talk to us about the pricing of the bikes.
The prices are very good, because we have the 150 starting at 128, and it goes up to a little bit under 160, so it's 157, and that's for the 200.
Apart from Zamco, what other bikes you have?
We have the Zungjang, where you can see here, and we also have the super bikes.
I like about the Zamco bike, it's a 200 Zamco. It's a balanced shaft engine, less vibration, have the right maximum power that can give me full 100 ton, that what I need. It's about the engine that's in the bike. Less vibration like going to country, less vibration, no vibration at all, and thing.
Which of the types did you get?
I got a 200 Zamco. So they truth, like it full 100 because no problem, no fall, power, everything there. Maximum strength, everything. Can do everything that the Zungjang do, and also more.
Would you recommend other persons watching right now to get one of these Zamco bikes from Superior?
Right now, to me right now, Zamco is the #1 bike right now.
Now we're on to our first commercial break. We'll be back in just a moment.